My name is Efraim, I own this minibus. Pay your money, jump aboard, there's room for all of us. I haven't got a license, I don't know how to drive. Say a little prayer and hope you survive. I just go beep beep Odi, Sindifuna, ngozi. I just go beep beep Odi, Sindifuna, ngozi. In Lilongwe town, I am king of the road. I am the driver who takes maximum load. This bus is licensed to seat only 10, but I can put that much and that much again. I just go beep beep Odi, Sindifuna, ngozi. I just go beep beep Odi, Sindifuna, ngozi. I'm licensed to carry all kind of things. I take whatever my passenger brings. I take ufa and mangoes and chickens and rice. I even take fish when it doesn't smell nice. I just go beep beep Odi, Sindifuna, ngozi. I just go beep beep Odi, Sindifuna, ngozi. The rules of the road don't apply to me. I am a minibus driver, you see. I go where I like and I stop anywhere. Azungus get mad, but I don't care. I just go beep beep Odi, Sindifuna, ngozi. I just go beep beep Odi, Sindifuna, ngozi. From Lilongwe to Blantyre, I drive very fast. In all my years of driving, I have never yet been passed. If I'm overtaking and there's an oncoming truck, I never panic, I don't give a beep beep Odi, Sindifuna, ngozi. I just go beep beep Odi, Sindifuna, ngozi. The other day on the way to the lake, down the Golomoti, I ran out of break. Must admit I got one hell of a fright. When I turned around, all my passengers were white. I just went beep beep Odi, Sindifuna, ngozi. I just went beep beep Odi, Sindifuna, ngozi. One day I hope to have a big race, me in my souped up Toyota High Ace, against Michael Schumacher in his Ferrari, racing around the roads of Malawi, going beep beep Odi, Sindifuna, ngozi. I just go beep beep Odi, Sindifuna, ngozi. I just go beep 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 beep.
Everybody, ngozi.